today for an exhaust video, got something a little bit different. I got the Vibe back here again. Obviously, already 2 videos on it. Magnaflow, that was brand new install. And after it's got some miles on it, it's been broken in. Now, next thing does affect the exhaust a little bit, or it may. We're going to try it out. The good people at Yitamotors sent me this to try. And I'm going to install it and try it. So let's unbox it and talk about it. Alright, now, before I get started, should be a link down below for discount code for the high flow cat, and go to links to the other 2 videos of the Vibe with the exhaust as it progresses. So check all that out. Alright, let's just open it up and take a look at it. Look at that new hardware. That will be needed, I'm sure. Set that to the side, and here it is. So, I'm going to install this high flow cat system onto the Vibe there, which obviously is the same as Toyota Matrix. Get it all set up, drive it around, see how it performs, and obviously see if anything happens. Should be a bolt on, no tuning, nothing required, and see if it makes a difference in sound. Mostly looking for the performance aspect of this, but you know what, you never know, you change one thing, affects something else. So let's get this on there so you can hear it. Now obviously with the new hardware, install is going to be pretty easy. You can see it's only going to be 2 bolts here, which they're right there. Probably pretty easy to get to underneath. So now I got right at the end of the catalytic converter cut off. I just want to hear what it'd sound like without the rest of the exhaust real quick. Alright, so it's complete. That high flow catalytic converter was easy to install. No issue. 2 bolts, cut and weld. Simple. Like I said, you can go ahead and probably get away with an exhaust clamp if you want. Now, after installing it, I did go ahead and let it run, get up to temp, and no engine light came on. Did that driving, no engine light came on. It's good. Feels pretty good. I personally can't tell a sound difference, but that's alright. It seems to be running pretty good with this high flow catalytic converter setup. I like it. It is smoking a little bit, yes. I did paint the rest of the exhaust while I was under there. And there's probably a little bit of oil I could feel on the new setup that probably burning off. I think there's a little bit on the inside too from the new pipes, so no big deal there. But there it is. You heard it. Feels good. I think it's pretty good. No engine lights, can't beat that. Now, the rest of it, time will tell. Maybe the mileage per gallon will improve, and that's what I'm hoping for, honestly. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.